Welcome to EVE Online. I'm Major Freak. This is all about the definition of S.N.A.F.U. Welcome to System Index and the trials and tribulations of manufacturers all over EVE. You want to know what System Index is? Well, it's the main indicator of how much it's going to cost anybody to make an item, regardless of tax, because tax is just a tax on the system, the cost that is derived from the system index. Yeah. So I'm sure you're all aware of that. Now, I am in Ruchi, lowsec. I've been building my field blocks in lowsec in Nazil actually for quite a while, and it's the system index is you can actually go into the map, industry, and manufacturing system cost index, and it'll show you right away. You can get a good situational awareness, or conversely you can go into your jobs, your facilities, and you can hover over this and it'll tell you, and of course it's different for each one. I'm sure you know that. Now the system cost index is pretty much that is 0.23% of the estimated value, right? So that's your cost. That's the cost of your item. And then tax is just an additional whatever on top of that. Okay? So the main indicator of how much it's going to cost you is this. And your roll bonus? Nah, lol. Let's see. Structure roll bonus 3%. Just taking this, it's a really good index, 6.69, really good. Most of them are 1.2, and a MAR is something bizarre like 6 or something, 8, I think. Just ridiculous. That where's it? MAR? Yeah. It's just 8.12% of the estimated cost is what's going to cost you. So yeah. Get my stuff. Okay, so the system index is work done in the system in the past 28 days divided by work done in your past 28 days, and that's global. That's everything, okay? And that's right here in this dev blog. I'll link it, of course, in the description. But yeah, that's 28 days. Yeah. Now I made my fuel blocks a while ago and delivered them just now, but yesterday I think, or I forget. It's all been a blur. But yeah, the system index is your main indication of where you should actually build your retire. Just be careful, because there's a ton of retires in a Halla, and it's 2.3%, and it's just competing against each other. This one's 0.69, like I showed. I was looking at one up here. Bashakru, it was off Bashakru, this one. It's a dead-end system, 0.74. It's pretty good. There actually are no operating manufacturing bases there right now. I'm sure that they drove it up too much, or they're actually on anchoring and low power right now. That's a good one too. But yeah, there's so much, and this doesn't have any NPC manufacturing stations. That's a good sign. This one is 0.1 index. It's got no NPC stations at all, and I didn't see any public manufacturing slots, so yeah. So it's a case of you're looking for where do you want to build it, but at the same time it's all based on your cost index. I mean, this cost index is half that of the nearby. The only way to actually do good as a public service is find the lowest and build in there, like NOP and Sakura. Yeah, this one's got a lot of NPC stations in it, Bashaku as well. It's got a Ministry of Internal Order manufacturing station. They're great, but of course it's going to bump up the price index, and that's where the cost starts to really skyrocket. I have got a list of all the a picture list of all the slide screen actually of all the close ones nearby. So let's go check them out. So this is the cost for the same, and you'll see there's some lowering of this a bit, but it's not going to save you anything. It's just here that's going to be the main cost. We'll go through them. Yeah, we're talking millions here, and that's a Hala, and they're all competing against each other. Rare, there's only one in there. That's Narai. I don't think it's got any manufacturing centers in it. It might. Forget. Whoops. What the hell? Man, I set all that up. God, what a pisser. Computer's crashing on me because I'm trying to do so much, probably. That's it. You can do it. Thank you. Alright, here we go. I just need to go this way, past that picture. Alright. And even with the structure, see the structure roll bonus, it just, you know, it's not helping you. If that's 4%, that's really good, but what's it really doing, right? It's still costing you a ton because of the system index. It's pretty sad. I was actually hoping of you know, I thought I was going to waste money doing lowsec, but wow. Yeah, pretty crazy, huh? Okay, so, and if you get, there's one that has a really good bonus here. Where is it? 180. That's a really low one. It's pretty much standard. You get 70, 80. There's one that 1048 for uranium, and it's in I forget, Kehor. There it is. That's the only one around. It's, you know, 1 point and -3, but look, 2 million. Look at that. I can guarantee you that much savings in material is not going to help lower the cost to here. So I'm definitely building in, you know, I'll go find a low index NPC station and build there, because even with a 10%, it's still cheaper. It's a sad sight when you can't force, you know, you want to offer good prices to people, and you're basically, the system is ripping you off. You're not ripping off them, you know. Oh, Ashab's got, oh yeah, of course, Ashab. But look at the system cost. Crazy, huh? Same thing. Just same units, nothing different. Sad, very sad. And of course, MR, 8.13, look at that. I actually thought I was going to lower the tax for standings, because I had at least 6 standings with the serum. I guess standings doesn't affect facility tax, but still, it's not going to affect that, is it? Wow. And yep. And this is yeah, it's just I'll go through all of them. The Shaba, then I come back through Siridae, and there's nothing in the high. I checked. I'd like to put something down there, but I think it would be a hostile system if people started competing against each other. I think they put it that way on purpose. So I'm not going to rock the boat. I'll find somewhere else. I'd like to, though. Yeah, but it's just where are you going to put something down that's going to be, even if you did 0 tax, where are you going to put it down that's going to cost you less than you can go, build it in Ruchi or Nazil, right? I was thinking of putting down a Retire, but now I'm not. It's like, I'm not going to bother. NPC all the way, even with the 10%. Yeah. And back to square one. Yeah. Crazy, huh? So you can definitely check the material. I don't think it's very accurate if you try to order it by that. It'll try, but it's not that accurate. Oops. Running out of space. I guess I'm blabbing too much. Okay, so yeah. I'll definitely be building my stuff in Ruchi and or Nazil. Check that out. Go away. Yeah. And you can find that in the map. And hopefully that helped you out. I'll post the links. Of course, you've got the EV University. I'll link that as well. Yeah. Crazy stuff. So I'm happy I was building my stuff in lowsec. I thought it was foolish, but I guess I'm right.